From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The table below shows the ages of students in a class. Use the information to answer questions 47 and 48. Find correct to the nearest whole number, the average age of the student, and what is the median age. This is the frequency table that is given. And so you remember that for to find average, it is simply summation of fx over summation of the frequency. And summation of fs simply means multiplying this and summing it. 13 multiply 3 plus 14 multiply 14 plus 15 multiply 13 plus 16 multiply 8 plus 17 multiply 3. Everything over the summation of this frequency. 3 plus 14 is 17, plus 13 is 30, plus 8 is 38, plus 3 is 41, over 41. So if we times this is 39 plus 14 times 14 is 196, plus 15 times 13 is 195, plus 16 times 8 is 128, 17 times 3 is 51. And so we divide this over 41. If we sum this will give us 609 over 41. And if we divide this, we will get 14.85. We are asked to approximate it to the nearest whole number. This will be approximately, this up to 5 and above. Take it here, 15. And the correct option is C. For 48, we are asked, what is the median age? To find the median age, we need to find the median position first. And since we have an odd number of frequency, our median position is simply n plus 1 over 2. The n plus 1 over 2. So what's our n? The number of frequency, 41. So this is 41 plus 1 over 2. This is 42 over 2. And so this is the 20 position. That's our median. How do we get the position? We start taking cumulative frequency. So 3 plus 14 is 17. 17 plus 13 is 30. And we are looking for the position. That means this is where our median class will lie. So our median age is simply 15, which is B.